ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद शुक्लयजुर्वेदीय काण्वशाखीय बृहदारण्यक अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मण द्वितीय अध्याय प्रथम ब्राह्मण तृतीय मंत्र पेज नंबर 424 टीका मनसी चेत फर्स्ट लेट अस सी द मंत्र। So Aditya Brahma was pointed out by Gargya Balaki, and Ajatashatru Raja said, I already know. Further now, Sahovacha Gargyo Ya eva asau chandre purusha etamevaham brahmopasa iti Sahovacha Ajatashatru Ma maitasmin samvadishtha बृहन् पांडरवासाः सोमो राजेति वा अहम एतम उपास इति सय एतमेवम उपास्ते अहरहर सुतः प्रसूतो भवति नास्य अन्नम क्षीयते। So before this, at the end of the second mantra, it was said in the Bhashya, यथा गुणोपासनम एव फलम तम यथा यथा उपासते तदेव भवति। उपास्ते एक वचनम, द्विवचनम इज उपासाते, बहुवचनम उपासते. So I hope you noted that. And this Vakya, it says, whatever upasana I do, I will become that. Upasana means chintanam. If I am thinking of someone all the time, what happens? I will become that. I will have proximity of that person. So if you are constantly thinking of someone that you don't like, to find mistakes in that person, what will happen? You will be one with that person whom you don't like. That's why you should not think of anybody in this way, number one. Number two, I had to tell somebody else also. When we speak negative about somebody or somebody's doshas, let us say they have dosha. Chaitra speaks doshas of Maitra. Who is incurring sin? Chaitra. Whose sins are getting reduced? Maitra. So you are doing great favor to someone when you talk about their doshas, either in front of them or behind their back. Whenever we think of somebody in negative way, then their sins will get reduced and we will incur sins. So we should not speak ill of anybody. And if we speak ill of Mahatmas, even bad. That is worst thing. So we should be very careful. And indirectly we are doing upasana of someone if we constantly are thinking about them and their faults. This is exactly the Shruti. Tam yatha yatha upasate. Tadeva bhavati. You will definitely become that. You will attain that. Means either you will become that person or you will get those doshas. Because it is actually for guna upasana. Tad guna vishishta upasana. But if you do tad dosha vishishta upasana, and then you will get that dosha also. This point we should note. Now you see the mantra. So now Gargya Sahovacha. Gargya Ya eva asau Chandre Purusha. He said the one who is in Chandrama, Chandre Purusha. That I do upasana as Brahma. Etam eva aham Brahma upasa. Iti. Upase. Upasa means upase. Immediately, Ajatashatru Raja said, Sahovacha Ajatashatruhu, Maam etasmin samvadishtha. Don't tell me about this. I already know this. What is that Chandra Purusha? Brihat, Brihan, Pandarvasaha, Somo, Raja. These are the names of that. Itiva aham etam upasa. Raja says, I have also done this upasana. Iti. Saya etam evam upaste aharaha sutaha prasuto bhavati. The one who does this upasana, I know the phalam of this upasana also. What is the phalam? The one who does this upasana regularly, then in his nitya karma, sutaha prasuto bhavati. Na asya annam kshiyate. And his annakshaya doesn't take place. Means he will always have plenty of food. Suta prasuta, I will explain when it comes in Bhashya and Tika. Bhashya Samvadena Aditya Brahmani Pratyakhyate Ajata Shatruna Chandramasi Brahmantaram Pratipede. Gargyaha Samvadena Aditya Brahmani Pratyakhyate. So, in the form of dialogue, when Gargya talked about Aditya Brahma, Ajatashatru did Pratyakhyanam. Pratyakhyanam means he stopped him, prevented him from moving forward. Pratyakhyate Ajatashatruna. Pratyakhyanam also can mean answer to question. And Pratyakhyanam also can mean Siddhanta Paksha to Purva Paksha. Either way it can be. Here it is in the form of dialogue. So some argument from one person or some statements, another person stopping that person. Chandramasi Brahmantaram Pratipede Gargya. In Chandrama, there is Brahmantaram. Anyat Brahma Brahmantaram. Anya Brahma means Anya Saguna Brahma, because Nirguna Brahma is only one. य एव असौ चंद्रे मनसि च एकः पुरुषः. दिस who is in chandrama and who is in manah. सीटीका मनसि च इति चकारात् बुद्धौ च इत्यर्थः. मनसि च means in mana and buddhi. This ekah purusha in bhashya पुरुषो भोक्ता कर्ता च इति पूर्ववद विशेषणम. He is कर्ता भोक्ता, like it was said earlier. टीका य एकः पुरुषस् तम एव अहम ब्रह्मोपासे त्वं च इत्थम उपास्व. There is this ekah puruषः तम एव अहम ब्रह्म उपासे. I do upasana of that purusha as Brahma. Where is that purusha? In Chandrama. You also do that upasana. Tvam cha itham upasva. You also do this upasana. Iti ukte. Ma ityadi na pratyuvacha. No, no, no. Don't tell me this. Now this Chandrama or Chandramandala, see in Tika, which this is not referring to the Chandrama, moon that we know of. Bhanumandalato dvigunam Chandramandalam iti prasiddhim ashritya aha. Bhanumandalato dvigunam Chandramandalam. Bhanumandalato, what is the vibhakti? Panchami. Bhanumandalataha. Dvigunam is double the size. Then the Surya Mandala, Chandra Mandala is double the size. So this definitely cannot be this moon that we know. This is actually given in Uttarayana Marga. When Jiva goes, first he sees Surya Devata. First means after Diva, Ahar Devata, Shukla Paksha Devata, Uttarayana Devata. In this way he goes. Then he will see Surya Devata. After that Surya Devata comes Chandra Devata. That is this Chandra Mandalam which comes after Surya. Chandra Mandalam iti prasiddhim ashritya. This is very well known in Upanishad. In Bhashya, Brihan Mahan Pandaram. Brihan means Mahan. This is first name. How many names are given?
5.
4. Brihat, Pandaravasa, Somo, Raja. 4 names are there. These names you should remember. Not names as in each name, but you should know that this topic has come here because these names will be referred later when Ajatashatru is giving teaching to Gargya. And those who remember, this portion has come in Upadesha Sahasri somewhere in 11, 12, 13 chapter. Those who have studied and those who remember this portion. Supta Purusha is woken up by these names. And that person doesn't wake up. When he is shaken, then he will wake up. Means these names are of the prana. Prana is awake, but prana doesn't hear. Like that, there is teaching. So just keep them in mind. Pandaravasaha. What is the Pratipadika? Pandarvasas is the Pratipadika. Pandarvasas. Then how Pandarvasa will become Pandarvasa Dirgha. What is the sutra? Atvasantasya cha dhatoh. Pandaram means Shuklam, see Bhashya. Pandaram Shuklam. Vaso yasya. Soyam Pandarvasa. Apshariratvat pranasya. Pandaram means Shuklam. Vasas means Veshtanam, covering, cloth. So the one who has white covering or white cloth. Who has that? Pranasya. White is white, apshariratvat. Apshariratvat pranasya, Pandarvasa. Tika. कथम पांडरम वासश्चंद्राभिमानिनः प्राणस्य संभवति इति आशंक्याः. पांडरम वासश्चंद्राभिमानिनः, the one who has Chandra Abhimana, how he has Pandaram Vasah? Because Apsharira, because water is the Sharira of that. And that water is Pandara, Shuklam. पुरुषो ही शरीरेण वासस इव वेष्टितो भवति. वाससा इव वेष्टितो भवति. पांडरत्वं च अपां प्रसिद्धम् आपो वासः प्राणस्य इति च श्रुतिः अतो युक्तं प्राणस्य पांडरवासस्त्वम् इत्यर्थः. Vasas Pratipadika, if you take, Vasasa will be Tritiya. So Purusho hi Sharirena Vasasa Veshtito Bhavati. Purusha Sharirena Veshtitaha. Vasasa, that is the Veshtanam. And that Veshtanam is with the up, Jal, and Pandaratvam cha apam prasiddham. Apa is Pandara. Prasiddham. Apo vasah pranasya iti cha shrutihi. Ato yuktam pranasya pandara vasastvam. Therefore, pranasya pandara vasastvam yuktam. It is appropriate. न केवलम सोम शब्देन चंद्रमा गृह्यते किंतु लता अपि समान नाम धर्मत्वात् इत्याह. Not only you have to take Chandrama by the word Soma, you should also take Soma Lata. Because when there is a Soma Yaga means that Yaga where Soma Lata is used. So Soma Lata is also called Soma. And they have Samana Dharma and Samana Nama. Samana Nama is they both are referred by the word Soma. Samana Dharma, 6 number Tippani. Someti Abhidhanasya Vriddhi Hrasa Akhya Dharmasya cha Ubhayatra Samatvad ityartha. Vriddhi and Hrasa. Vriddhi means growth. Hrasa means decay. Chandrama also has this growth and decay, and also the Lata, a creeper, new leaves will come, there is growth, old leaves will fall, there is decay, so it keeps happening. So Soma Shabdena Lata api grihyate. Yascha annabhuto abhishuyate latatmako yajñe tam ekikritya etam eva aham brahma upase. यश्च अन्नभूतो अभिषूयते, अभिषूयते टिप्पणी कंड्यते. कंड धातु मीन्स टू ब्रेक, and like in Hindi we say kutna, pounding, that is. So the lata, they will take the leaves etc and they will pound and make somarasa. Abhishuyate latatmako yagne, in the yajna tam ekikritya etameva aham brahma upase, I consider this soma as brahma, that Chandrama Purusha or this Soma. Tika. Tam Chandramasam Latatmakam Buddhinishtham. So that Chandrama, Chandramandalastha Purusha, Latatmaka, that Lata, and also Buddhinishtha. Lata means not some any creeper that is going on and say, this is Purusha. Because they have identified it with Yajna so much. The moment they see that this is Yajna, this is Yajna. So then only, like how Ganga Jal and any other Jal. So those who have Mahatva Buddhi in Ganga Jal is Ganga Jal. Somebody was here. Narmada river and some other. That person said Ganga Ji is Ganga Ji. Everything is covered in Ganga. There is no match. So those who have that much Mahatva Buddhi for Ganga Ji, other Nadi, they are Pavitra, they are everything. But Ganga is Ganga. So for them, Ganga Jal is supreme. And that's why the departing person, they put Ganga Jal in their mouth. So Lata means not any Lata, this Soma Lata, Latatmakam and Buddhinishtham cha, the one who is in Buddhi, Manasi, it was said earlier. So Purusham ekikritya ahangrahena upasti. Ahangraha upasana is done. This is who I am. This Brahma I am. Which Brahma? The one who is in Chandrama, Lata, Buddhi. Samprati upasti phalam aha. Now upasana phalam is given. Aham Brahma upase yathokta gunam ya upaste tasya aharaha sutaha somo abhishuto bhavati. Tasya aharaha sutaha. Aharaha daily, pratidinam. Sutaha means kritakandavaha, they pounded lata, etc. Abhishuto bhavati. Abhishuta means the essence. Yajne prasutascha vikareshu abhishuto bhavati yajne. Sutaha, you have to read this way. Sutaha somo abhishuto bhavati yajne. Prasutascha vikareshu. So after yajne, if you want, you can put a comma. So in yajna, sutaha. And in vikara, prasuta. And annancha asya nakshiyate. Anna atma upasakasya. And his annam also nakshiyate. So now here yajna is what? See tika. Yajna shabdena prakriti rukta. Vikara shabdena vikritayah grihyante. What is the difference between prakriti yaga and vikriti yaga? Prakritivat vikriti kartavya. But my question is something else. What is my question?
Prakriti Yaga includes all the method. In Vikriti Yaga, only few steps are included.
Yes. In Prakriti Yaga, all the steps are given. In Vikriti, only what is different or what is additional is mentioned. So therefore, whatever is not given in Vikriti, for that you have to refer to Prakriti. That's why Prakriti what? Vikriti Kartavya. यथोक्तोपासकस्य प्रकृति विकृति अनुष्ठान सामर्थ्यम लीलया लभ्यम इत्यर्थः. Person who does this upasana, prakriti vikriti anusthana samarthyam will come to this person lilaya. Lilaya means anayasena, effortlessly. Prakriti yaga, vikriti yaga he will be performing. You know, many times we think, oh, this person knows this material, that, this mantra here, there, he does everything. And for others, they will have pages here, books here, and water will be spilled everywhere, and half the things they will. And somebody says, this priest doesn't know anything. So to do one karma, you have to do some other upasana. This is how it works. We think, you know, this person is doing something. Externally, we see something, we want to copy that. And we think, I am also doing the same thing. How come I am not able to do? That other upasana balam they have, that you have not done. This is why you will see people struggling, sometimes suffering, because they want to match with someone here, there. You have your track towards Bhagavan, not any other things. You will get the phalam. Then the actual phalam is you will have no interest in anything else. This is the mukhya phalam. This is the vairagya. And if my attention is on anya phalam, that means my attention is not on my mukhya sadhana. And this is the drishtanta. Person who does Chandra Purusha as Ahangrahopasana, he will have all success and effortless performance of Prakriti Vikriti Yaga. This is the drishtanta. Or that Akar, Ukar, Makar Upasana is there in Mandukya. In Om, the one who does Akar Upasana, he will be foremost in their group, like because Akara is Prathama Matra. So you say, I also want to be front in every group. For that you do Akar Upasana. Means Omkar with Jagrad Avastha, Jagrad Abhimani, Purusha, Jagrad Prapancha, of that as Brahma. You will get the phalam. But we run after that phalam. We don't know how I am not getting the phalam because it requires something else. Anna, now another part is the Anna. Anna Kshayasya अन्न अक्षयस्य सॉरी अन्नाक्षयस्य उपासना अनुसारित्वात् उपपन्नत्वम अभिप्रेत्य upasakam vishnashti, and his annam also will be akshayam. There will not be decay in the annam for this annatmaka upasya. Annancha asya na kshiyate. His annam will not be kshiyate. There will not be lack of food. There will be plenty of food. That person can run Annakshetra. Further now. सहोवाच गार्ग्यो य एव असौ विद्युति पुरुष एतमेवाहं ब्रह्मोपास इति सहोवाच अजातशत्रुर् मामैतस्मिन् संवदिष्ठास् तेजस्वीति वा अहमेतमुपास इति स य एतमेव उपास्ते स य एतमेवम् उपास्ते तेजस्वीह भवति तेजस्वनी हा अस्य प्रजा भवति. Tejaswini, not Tejaswani. Tejaswini. Tejaswani Shabda is not there. So now next he gives Vidyuti. In the lightning, there is a Purusha. Gargya says, Ya eva asau Vidyuti Purusha. Etam eva aham Brahma upase. I do upasana of that as Brahma. Iti. So Hovacha Ajatashatru. Ajatashatru said, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Ma etasmin samvadishta. Tejasvi iti va aham etam upase iti. I do upasana of that as Tejasvi, because lightning is bright, therefore Tejasvi, that Purusha is bright. Then what happens? Saya etameva upaste Tejasvi bhavati. He will become Tejasvi. He will have Tejas, means brilliance. Not only that, Tejasvini ha asya praja bhavati. His praja also will become Tejasvi. Brilliant. टीका संवाद दोषेण चंद्रे ब्रह्मणि अपि प्रत्याख्याते ब्रह्मांतरम आह. संवाद दोषेण चंद्रे ब्रह्मणि अपि प्रत्याख्याते. चंद्र इज ऑल्सो नॉट ब्रह्म. संवाद दोष इज व्हाट? 4 नंबर टिप्पणी. ज्ञात ज्ञापकत्वेन प्रतिज्ञा हानि रूपेण. इट इज ज्ञात ज्ञापक. व्हाट वाज ऑलरेडी नोन, that he is trying to tell. And pratignya hani, what is pratignya hani here?
It's not Brahman.
Brahman.
Yeah.
This is what he said. And he is not saying Brahma, he is saying
Hiranya.
Avidya Yukta Brahma. Avidya Upahita Brahma. So pratignya hani is there. And therefore Brahmani api pratyakhyate, Chandra Brahma pratyakhanam is done. So Brahmantaram aha. Tatha Vidyuti Twachi Hridayecha. In Vidyut, then in Twacha, and in Hridaya. So in mantra there is only one given, but Bhashyakar gives the other. Now somebody will ask how Bhashyakar is saying other things, like earlier Chandrama was said, then he said Manasi, and this Somalata, like that here also. Because the Teja will express in Twacha, in skin at one level, and Teja also will express in Hridaya, means in the Antakarana. एका देवता तेजस्वी इति विशेषणम तस्याः तत्फलम तेजस्वी ह भवति, ही बिकम्स तेजस्वी। तेजस्विनी ह अस्य प्रजा भवति, हिज प्रजा बिकम्स तेजस्विनी। विद्युतां बहुत्वस्य अंगीकरणात् आत्मनि प्रजायां च फलबाहुल्यम। विद्युतां बहुत्वस्य, इन electric, the lightning, they are many. So vidyutam bahutvasya angikaranat atmani prajayam cha phala bahulyam. In one's own self also there is phala bahulyam, means anekatvam. Many upasanas are there, so result is also in different ways it expresses. And praja also, that is another phalam. Praja also will become tejasvi. Praja means two types. For one is through progeny, another is through shiksha. So if a guru has done upasana, the shishyas will be bright. And if father has done, then children will be bright in this way. Father or mother, whoever. Further, sahovacha gargyo ya evayam akashe purusha. Oh, wait, one more. Katham, in Tika one sentence. Katham ekam upasanam अनेक फलम इति आशंका. How one upasana can give many phalam? So it is said vidyutam bahutvasya angikarana. Lightning can be many and prajayam cha phala bahulya. Praja also can be many. Sahovacha gargyo ya evayam akashe purusha etamevaham brahmopasa iti sahovacha ajata shatrur मामयि तस्मिन् संवदिष्ठाः पूर्णम् अप्रवर्तीति वा अहमेतम् उपास इति स य एतमेवम् उपास्ते पूर्यते प्रजया पशुभिर् न अस्य अस्माल् लोकात् प्रजोद्वर्तते. Gargya has said, Ya evam, eva ayam akashe purusha. In the akasha there is purusha. I do upasana of that as Brahma. Etam eva aham Brahma upase iti. So hovacha ajata shatru said, Mama etasmin samvadishta. Don't teach me this one. Purnam apravarti iti. Purnam, this Akasha Purusha is Purnam and Apravarti. Apravarti means not changing. So, Apravarti phalam will be given. Iti va aham etam upase iti sa ya etam evam upaste puryate prajaya pashubhihi. He will be filled with praja, pashu, everything. Means he will have enough of praja and pashu. And na asya asma lokat praja udvartate. His praja uchcheda will not be there. Means praja will continue. Udvartanam also means acting in opposite way. This is also udvartanam. Here it is taken as vichitti. Bhashya. Tatha तथा आकाशे हृदाकाशे च आकाश and हृदाकाश both एका देवता पूर्णम अप्रवर्ति च विशेषण द्वयम. पूर्णम and अप्रवर्ति. पूर्णत्व विशेषणम विशेषण फलम इदम पूर्यते प्रजा पशुभिः. He will be filled with प्रजा पशु etc. अप्रवर्ति विशेषण फलम न अस्य अस्मात् लोकात् प्रजा उद्वर्तते. From this loka, his praja udvartanam will not happen. Iti praja santana avichittihi. His praja santana vichitti will not happen. Tika apravartitvam apravartakatvam akriyavatvam va. Or akriyavatvam, his praja will not become lazy or going against the traditions, etc. He will not have such praja. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.